Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. So in order to do this, we'll need to open a few of the platforms on which we can search for this game. First, let's pick Google Play Store, but as we all know, the Fortnite is not available here. We can always try. No results found. Now let's move to the Epic Games app, which you can download from from their website of Epic Games Store. Here's a Fortnite. Let's click Get, and we can install it. So that means Fortnite is playable on Oppo Reno 7 Lite. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.